How to set up a custom lock screen on iPhone. iOS 18.1. 1. Open lock screen customization. Swipe down from the left corner of the screen. Press and hold on the lock screen until the customization menu appears. Tap the plus icon to create a new lock screen. 2. Choose a wallpaper. Select a wallpaper from your gallery or choose from options like photos, emoji, or astronomy themes. Preview the wallpaper to see how it looks on your lock screen. 3. Add widgets. Tap the Add Widgets box below the clock. Choose from options like calendar, weather, fitness stats, or battery percentage. 4. Customize the clock. Tap on the clock to change the font and color. Experiment with different styles to match your look. 5. Activate your custom lock screen. Make sure your customized lock screen is selected and active, and that's it. You now have a personalized lock screen on iOS 18.1. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.